In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Forecasting is a crucial part of managing your business finances effectively. It helps you predict your revenue and expenses, plan for growth, and make informed decisions. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced, ensuring you can leverage its powerful tools to stay ahead. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online Advanced account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open QuickBooks Online Advanced by logging into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. This is your navigation panel. Click on it to expand the menu options. Now from the list, select Financial Planning. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your forecasting and planning needs. Once you're in the Financial Planning section, click on the Forecasts tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Before proceeding, make sure you're using the advanced version of QuickBooks Online, as these features are specific to this plan. Additionally, ensure you have the necessary permissions to access the financial planning tools within your account. If you're unsure about permissions, you may need to check with your account admin. Now that you're in the right place, click on the Create Forecast button. This is where you'll begin building your forecast. Start by defining the focus of your forecast. Are you looking to project revenue? Or perhaps you want to focus on expenses? Clearly identify what you want the forecast to address, as this will shape the entire process moving forward. Next, you'll need to select the data source for your forecast. QuickBooks allows you to use existing trends and patterns from your financial data as a foundation. This step ensures your forecast is grounded in real, historical insights from your business performance. After selecting the data source, it's time to choose the historical data period you want to analyze. This could be a specific time frame, such as the past 6 months or last year, depending on what's most relevant to your forecasting goals. If you'd like, you can also set specific rules for your forecast. For example, you can define growth rates or adjust for seasonality to make the forecast more accurate. These rules are optional but can be incredibly helpful for tailoring the projections to your business's unique patterns and expectations. When you're happy with your setup, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will generate the forecast based on the data and parameters you've provided. To review your work, navigate back to the Forecasts tab. Here, you'll see the forecast you just created. Open it to take a closer look. Compare the projections with your actual financial data and make any adjustments as necessary. Finally, keep your forecast up to date by revisiting it regularly. Update the inputs, revise the rules, and ensure it aligns with any changes in your business strategy. This way, your forecast remains a reliable tool for planning and decision-making. And that's it. You've successfully created a forecast in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.